How to use Ctrl+C to kill all background processes started in a bash script. Arch Linux, Manjaro. I'm running one bash file. It runs two processes, commands, using and amp. But when I press Ctrl+C to stop the program, one process dies, and the other continues to work. How do I stop both processes? Or how do I write a new script for killing these two processes?
Update: trap requires removing sig prefix on condition, although some shells support including it. See comment below. The ampersand and amp runs a command in the background in a new process. When its parent process, the command that runs the bash script in your case, ends, this background process will reset its parent process to init, process with PID1, but will not die. When you press Ctrl+C, you are sending an interrupt signal to the foreground process, and it will not affect the background process. In order to kill the background process, you should use the kill command with the PID of the most recent background process, which could be obtained by $. If you wanted to use Ctrl+C to kill both the script and background process, you can do this. Trap modifies the trap handler of the SIGINT. Trap requires removing the sig prefix, but some shell may support including it, so the script will kills the process with $bit before it exits.
Programs can ignore Ctrl+C signal, as they can ignore SIGSP as well. You can try Ctrl+Z in most shells, not always but most of the time. There are some signals that cannot be ignored by the process, Ctrl+, sigstop. You can send the kill command. To kill your frozen process, you have to find the process id, PID. Use CREP or PS and then kill it.